In the back here also we've got two 10-litre water containers. When one is empty, all you need to do is to lift the entire pipe and pump assembly out of one, stick it in the other, and then you can go and refill this one. If you allow the pump to drain out completely, it will start operating the pump. So if you're going to do that, then make sure that you turn the pump off at the main switch panel. Also in the back here is the tank for the heating oil. So the heating oil runs from this 10-litre tank rather than taking it out from the main diesel tank. So don't worry, if you're running the heating, you're not going to run out of fuel and not be able to start the engine. There is also a 5-litre container of heating oil down behind the toilet, but if you need to top it up, then it's just a case of taking the cap off and going and filling it up from the petrol station. You can put diesel in heating oil. What you can't do is put heating oil in with diesel, because that's illegal. Underneath the basin here is the wastewater tank and an extension pipe if you need it. The wastewater from both the kitchen sink and the basin comes out here, and if the terrain allows, you can just put the pipe straight into it like that. If it's a bit humpy and bumpy, then you can attach the extension onto the pipe and then put it in like that. Underneath the water containers is the gas. The lid just lifts off, and you've got two 4.5 kilogram Caligas containers. One will be in use, the other one will be completely full. So if you do happen to run out of gas, then you always know you've got a completely full one. To change the gas, you need to make sure that the valve is turned off by screwing it all the way down, and then undoing this nut behind the regulator. I've written on here which way to do it because it is opposite to the normal way. So it loosens by turning it clockwise, and it tightens by turning it anti-clockwise, which is different from a normal screw. So I've put tighten and undo on there. So you undo the regulator, put it on the other bottle, and then turn the valve on for that, and then you've changed over the gas. When you put the lid on, there are cutouts that go here to keep the bottles in place. Also under here there is tyre weld if there's a puncture, jump leads, the vehicle jack, and the brace for undoing the wheel nuts and all that sort of thing is all in here, with a few other handy little tools.